Here's a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is the brainy and brawny tool you need when your office is what you drive. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, and LED low and high beam headlights. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Hurry in today for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.